How to fix TikTok the message glitch on. Today guys, I have the solution. The solution of this. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First you have to open the settings of your phone and you go directly to apps or applications. Then you will find here all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search just for TikTok. And when you found TikTok guys, just open it like this and go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and you have to go back and click on force stop and click OK. And then you have to go to Play Store and update your TikTok again. And that's it. I hope this video is useful for you. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel, and see you in another videos.